How to earn money from Google Ads. Making money online has never been easier thanks to our world's rising digitalization. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic has considerably boosted the e-commerce business. People are increasingly purchasing and selling their goods and services online. Making money online has several advantages. People may work from nearly anywhere on a flexible schedule and reach a worldwide market for a modest initial cost. If you want to make money online, then this is for you. Hello and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Successful Finance. We hope you are all fine and doing great in your lives. Today, we are going to discuss how you can earn money from Google Ads. So, without any further delay, let's just get into the video. Google AdSense is an advertising service that allows you to place advertisements on your website, blog, or YouTube videos and earn money when people click on them. The advertisements are created by business who utilize Google AdWords program, which you can feed onto your blog or website using a unique AdSense code. Because it is so popular, the Google AdSense program may be one of the quickest methods to produce cash for new websites or blogs. How does Google AdSense work? AdSense is a network of advertisements that connects publishers and advertisers. Publishers join their websites to the ad network, allowing advertisers to bid on the display of their advertisements on those websites. If a website visitor clicks or watches an ad, the publisher is paid a percentage of the advertiser's ad spend. Google deducts the difference as a charge. How can we apply for a Google AdSense account? Google is selective in who they allow into their ad network. They want to keep the quality of their websites high and the integrity of their ad network intact. Well, there are several basic conditions that any publisher must meet. You should be 18 years old. You should have an active Gmail account that is not associated with an AdSense account. You must adhere to the Google program regulations, but we also propose a few extra prerequisites to assure acceptance. This involves having a 3-month-old website with at least 30 pages of unique material and some traffic. The more visitors your website receives, the greater your earning potential. What is the average approval time? Publishers are often accepted within 24 to 48 hours, but approval might take up to 1 to 2 weeks. Payments from Google AdSense. Google pays you by direct deposit or check after your profits reach or surpass $100 per month. If you do not earn $100 in a given month, your earnings roll over and are added to the next month. When you achieve the $100 barrier, Google will pay you on the next payment cycle. You may view your current revenue, which advertisements are producing the most clicks, and other useful information in your AdSense account. Types of AdSense ads. When authorized, you can run AdSense advertisements and earn an ad income. Before you do so, familiarize yourself with the various ad types. AdSense ads exist. Display, in feed, in article, matched content, and link ads are examples of ad types. Ad units that are responsive and fit most screen widths. Ads work practically anywhere. The style of ad may adjust to the screen size of the device being delivered to. It has set sizes and is AMP compatible. Accelerated mobile pages. Ads that fit in a feed, sidebar, or list are in feed. They flow naturally and improve UX. Native advertising that fits into an article's content without disturbing reading. Ads that tell users about the content on your website increase page views, time on page, and clicks. Text link advertising might be responsive or fixed size. It displays related subjects. Advantages and disadvantages of earning money through Google AdSense. The Google AdSense program offers numerous significant benefits, including it is completely free to join. Because the eligibility conditions are simple, you may monetize your website or blog even if it is new. There are several ad alternatives available, many of which may be customized to match the design and feel of your site. If you reach the $100 level, Google will pay you monthly via direct transfer. You may use one AdSense account to run adverts on many websites. There are possibilities for running advertisements on mobile devices and RSS feeds. It is simply to add your Blogger and YouTube accounts. However, to run AdSense on your YouTube videos, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing time. However, there are a few disadvantages to using AdSense. Google has the power to close your account at any time, and if you break the rules, it doesn't show any mercy. To generate money online, you need traffic just like any other kind of revenue. When consumers click on an AdSense ad, you gain money, but they also leave your site. which means you miss out on making money with higher paying affiliate items on your own products and services. It may or may not pay more than other similar ad schemes. AdSense is a terrific way to monetize your site, but it's not a get-rich-quick or make-money-doing-nothing scheme. Furthermore, Google has regulations that some writers appear to overlook while reviewing the terms of service. As a result, many website owners discovered the hard way that they had a broken Google regulation and had their accounts permanently suspended. Finally, you are ready to enter the world of AdSense and ad revenues. Do you need guidance on optimizing your AdSense advertisements and increasing ad revenue? Then tell us in the comment section that we are ready to assist you in taking your business to the next level. If you found this video informative, interesting, or engaging, make sure you show me by giving it a good thumbs up, sharing it with a friend, and of course subscribing to your favorite YouTube channel, Successful Finance, for more informative videos coming at you every day. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.